Hello, welcome to my TryHackMe's Capture the Flag walkthrough. We're doing a non-force right now. Already got the machine started. So what we're going to do is we're going to do Nmap scan. We're doing a script scan with a version scan, script flag for vulnerabilities, in flag for do not resolve DNS, the speed flag for ×4, verbose ×4 IP address, and then all ports. So right here we got port 21 open, which is file transfer protocol. So we're going to investigate that. Usually you'll try signing in as username anonymous and password anonymous, and that's usually enough to get you in for most capture the flags, unless they're geared a little differently or more difficult. So we see that there's a home directory, so let's go there and see what's in there. We get the user flag. Then we see this one's got some pretty big data there, so we're gonna go in there. You see two files. One's a backup.pgp, and then the private ASC. So we're just gonna do mget for both of those. Then we're going to use John with a GPG to John, and then the private key. Redirect it into a hash file, and then use John with that hash file and a word list to crack the password. When we get the password, it's Xbox 360. So the next thing we do is we need to import the private.asc key. So we're going to do GPG and then once that happens, you use GPG to decrypt the here's the user text. So that's the first flag. Um, use GPG to decrypt the backup with the password that you got from the ASC file after you've imported it. So you put the password in, it was Xbox 360, and then that gives you this, and then right here you'll notice that there's the root password hash. So we're going to copy this up until right before the colon, and then just echo with single quotes, not double quotes, because echo will try to use the dollar signs if you use double quotes. If you use single quotes, it'll redirect everything into a hash file, or into a file that you name, or text, or whatever. So then use hash ID to determine what hash it is. So it's hashcat mode 1800, which is SHA 512 crypt. So we'll do hashcat mode 1800, attack mode 0. I use the O for the uppercase O for CPU, because it's a VM, I don't have a GPU pass through. So just like that, you get the password. It's Hikari. So copy that. So back up here, you notice that port 22 is open and 21 is open. Those are the only two. So the next logical step is we have the root password. So SSH root. And then that's the root flag. So it's get the user and the root. Thank you for watching. It's under 10 minutes, so that's how quickly it can be done if you know what you're doing, or the steps. Thank you for watching. Till next time.